And what I typically hear brought up as a safety concern with laser by patients are things like burns, cancer, and then hair removal or hair growth. So I thought I'd run through those, and then you can tell me if you've heard any other common ones too. But when it comes to burns, patients, typically come into this with a whole idea that lasers do burning or they do surgical ablation of tissues. Of course, our lasers are not going to do that. But I still hear this even from other doctors. Oh, well, class 4 lasers burn. Well, of course they don't. You'd have to be completely reckless to end up burning anyone. But a really simple way to relate this is to say, yes, our lasers are more powerful, but because they use a very large spot size, that does decrease the strength of the beam to the point where it is completely safe. And in most cases, you're talking about the same irradiance or power as some of the very, very low power lasers that use a low power with a very, very small spot size, right? So that bigger spot size that the class 4 lasers use is very, very safe because it's essentially in the same neighborhood of light strength as a lot of the smaller lasers with smaller spot sizes.